Alright, logging in to Debian. And we're going to install Waterfox, which is a type of an archive file. You know what a zip file is, or a RAR? Well, this is a tar is also that sort of type of a file. And some programs you can only install this in this way from these types of files. Like Waterfox isn't where you normally get your applications from. So first of all, let's go to a browser that I do have installed. Let's move that a little bit. Go to Waterfox. Download. Get the Linux one. I'll choose the home directory. That's where we'll extract it to as well. So it's downloading there. And download done. Okay, go to home directory. We can see it there now. Alright, just open the terminal. Move that around a little bit. Okay, so these instructions I'll put in the details of this video. What version's that? 13. Okay, paste. Whoops. Should paste that way, not Control V. Alright, and also that's 13. So we'll change that to 13. Make sure you put the right version in there if it's after that and you download and you're following this. Okay. So now it's extracting. It's extracting here. I'll let it do its thing. Okay, done. Great. Okay, and now it's just need to make the launcher now. This is the XFCE desktop that I've made. I've got two panels. Everything I open just appears over here. And just to show you, panel preferences. This is a desk bar. This is the mode. And those are the settings that I have for it. Panel 2, which is this panel. I'll just put these applications and widgets and whatever. There's a little weather one and volume and CPU information, net information, screenshot software, and like that. And this has got all those in there. Alright, and this is in here where we want to put Waterfox. I'll just go add. And we want a launcher, add. And we want a separator as well, so we'll add. You could see them popping up over here. Okay, I'll just close that. And what I also want to do, just highlight that, that's the new launcher. I'm going to put it next to LibreWolf. And just highlight that separator. And click on that to edit the separator so I can make it the same as the other separators. So there we go. Okay, now the launcher. And we want to click on this edit the currently selected item. and we want to add. Oh no, that's not right. We want to create the launcher. This one there. Let me just show you again. Oh, wait a minute. Add a new empty item. Yep, no, that'll do. Waterfox. Some notes that I saved. This is a comment. We'll see that in a minute. Comment just about it from the website itself. Working directory. This is like the temp directory for Waterfox. And the command is where the Waterfox API is. Let's put that in there. Might as well use startup notification. I want to make an icon for it as well. Well, not make. Let's use an existing one. You can just go image files and then go to the home directory because they're in Waterfox itself. So not the .waterfox, go into the Waterfox. And then it was browser, Chrome, icons, default, and it was that one. And go OK. So now it's set up like that. I go create. See it there, and then when you hover over it, fast and private web browser. So I'll click close, close. Now let's see if it works. There we go. All right. So there we go. There's Waterfox installed. Waterfox is up to date. Okay, done. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.